Hello guys, welcome to my tech channel. So today I'm going to explain that another important concept, which is related to correlation. So we have already seen. So the first thing that we have recorded the script is after recording the script, you need to verify the user path. So in order to verify the user path, you will click this button. You know already. So always you will set as a new user rather than as recorded, and here you can uncheck. This is also one of the important thing you can remember, http2. Why I am explaining later. And click on that and click on ok and start checking. So just observe what happened. So So today I'm going to explain the important option that is about correlation. So nothing but flag request. So I have already done the videos for this, but some more things that I want to explain now. So whenever you see that, the first important thing remember is when you do the correlation, you can remember this flag request. So this is the one of the important feature in Neoload. So around 95% of time that we are using this option rather than any other. So suppose if you want to do the correlation, what we can do is go to the script, go to the launch page, go to that particular request, not a page, particular request. Suppose this is, so we don't have any. Go to the header. Sometimes the dynamic values in the header section. So here you can see that CSSN. So here the correlation value is CSSN. So first you can copy the value. So control V. So first you can copy the value. So you can copy the value up to here. The next step is nothing but go to the flag request. Here there are three options with variable, whose defined contains, root recorded response contains. Generally we can see the dynamic value identify the recorded response. So paste it over here. Just observe. When you paste and click on close, usually it will be highlighted that button. Now it is not coming. So what we can do is just control V. Then the tick mark will be coming like this, but now it is not coming. Even I couldn't understand why. So after tick mark, what you can do is you will go to the previous record response and you can write the rule. So now I want to explain. Let's leave that. I want to explain that what are the options that we are using. So the first option very frequently used is whose recorded response content, and second one is with the variable. That suppose after you correlated, suppose for example I have correlated the value session ID equal to, so this is my correlated value. Suppose I want to identify how many requests will contain this value, then what you can do is you can use user request, then it will be highlighted. Now it is not highlighted, general highlighted. So as variable extractor means, suppose you have go to the previous request and you have written the rule, so you will capture session ID like so, like this. Go to that variable extractor like this. For example, what I can do is I will show that. Now it will work or not, I am not sure. actually it will show that request, but it is not showing that request. One moment, I will rerun the script and see why it is not showing that request. So it is failing. Usually this session ID is failing. So go to this. So if you want to go to that the design part, you will go and go to the advanced. So this is failing. So what I can do is I will copy this and I will show that which recorder request it is using. Basically when you put this, actually it will be highlighted like this check mark. Now it is coming. So or which request it is using, this option is where you have written that rule. That means this rule. So when you click on, when you put this only this check mark, it will show this only this request because we have written the rule over here. Suppose if you check instead of this, it will show that whatever that dynamic value is presented in the request, that it will show that. So this is the very important option and very rare option. So most of the persons who are working in Neoload, they don't know. So the first option 95% we are using this option. Apart from that, this option also we are using. These are two important options that we are using. And out of these options we are using only these two most of the times. So the remaining options we will use based on the client requirement. So that is for a frag request. So apart from frag request, what you can do is once you will correlated, you can see that result in this output window. So here you can see that the variables, what are the variables over here. Suppose it will capture the dynamic value that will appear over here. Now it is not captured due to some reasons. It is not capturing. So anyway, I will do the video, don't worry. So this is the variable and details is basically request and response. So you can compare the response like this. So it is 200 okay, it is 200 okay. That means you are doing that correlation correct and your script is working fine. So this is the one of the checklists that you have to do. Both recording and replay response should be same, that is status code. After suppose here also you can check that 200 okay, 200 okay. So that means your script is working fine. So guys, I will end the video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos in Neoload. Apart from that, I have already repeated the same. So please share, comment and subscribe. Apart from that, I will start performance testing training with low cost with real-time topics. If anybody is interested in any of the training, which include a paid training, so which include that the basic and advanced concepts in Roadrunner, Meter, Neoload, just comment in comment section. So I will reply that. Thank you guys.